Hi, my name's Dan Rechichi. I'm from Rochester, New York, and my company's name is The Dent Guy. I've been performing the art of paintless dent repair since 2011. I was an auto body tech for about 20 years. Paintless dent repair is the process of removing dents, dings, hail damage, and even sometimes minor collision repairs using special tools such as hot glue and tabs or specially bent rods to manipulate the metal back to its original form and repair your panels without doing any paint or filler work. My favorite part about paintless dent repair is being able to help people and give them an alternative repair to the conventional style of body shops, where we can turn their car around faster, retain the value of their vehicle, and sometimes even save them a little money. What really makes me happy to be able to help people with paintless dent repair is saving downtime with their vehicles. With this process, I'm able to perform a quicker turnaround time and get you back in your vehicle on the road again. If you'd like to find out more about me and my business, you can visit our website at thedentguy.com. Give us a call at 585-721-6945, or even stop by our location. I'm Dan Rechichi, the Dent Guy.